come to know this is just 50%, rest 50% what we have to do to get the job. I will discuss in that.
Now comes the tricky question. What if you have applied and didn't got an confirmation mail from the company? Hi guys, welcome back everyone. This is Rahul, welcoming you all to my channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about like once you applied for a job and then what you have to do ahead. In part 1 guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, let me tell you this is the part 2. The part 1 in which we have discussed how to apply for cruise ship job online, step by step live I have shown you. So please go in the description box or on the I button, I'll share that link. Watch that video first, apply, and then after that what do you have to do, that's I'm gonna discuss in this channel. So guys, do watch this video till the end, because in the end I'll tell you what if you are not selected after applying through the mail, what you have to do, because there is a cooling period 6 months, but you can avoid that trick I'll tell you. But for that you have to watch this video till the end, and please like, subscribe this channel. Guys, you guys are watching this channel but not subscribing, so do help me. So let's start. So in part 1 we have discussed how to apply for cruise ship job online on the website. That's the genuine way. You don't have to go for any agency or anything. Now once you have applied for the your vacancy, what do you have to do? You have to wait. Like how long you have to wait, guys? In my scenario it was 7 days only. I had to wait for like 7 days or some 8 days, and after that I got a mail from the cruise ship that I have been shortlisted and my interviews will be there. But in case in like after 7 days if you are not receiving, then you can wait. In some case, in one of my friend, he got an confirmation mail after 1 month. So in some cases it depends on the vacancy and also on your post, you have to wait. So I'll tell you, you have to wait around like 2 to 3 weeks, and after that once you will get an confirmation mail, they will send you. You must have a Skype ID. I told you, if you don't know how to make an Skype ID, I'll share a video. Let me know in the comment section, I'll make a video on that also. So the HR will share a Skype link with you on which you have to apply, like they will take your interview. So guys, for Skype there will be 3 different rounds for interview. First one will be the by the like I can say tier 1 HR, then the tier 2 HR, then the final round is by head of department for which you are applying. So for round number 1 they will ask you the timing, at what time you want to appear for an interview. Guys, must remember, you have to be ready with, like, you are going for an interview, proper uniform for that. And then second round also same, and in first 2 rounds you're not going to see them, only a picture will be there, that's it. They will ask you basic question about your job knowledge, that's it. And once they will select you, then they will send you an confirmation mail once again that you have been shortlisted among those who have been shortlisted before, and now you have to appear for an interview by your head of department. And guys, for that they will tell you the date and time. In this scenario you're not gonna get like time zone for which you want to appear. They will ask you that this is the time you have to appear for an interview, that's it. Now here comes the day. The interview will come, your head of department, face-to-face interview. This time you will be able to see him. He will ask you. In my scenario it was like he took 45 minutes. We had a good conversation. And guys, be calm, be cool, okay? I'm gonna make a separate video on that if you want, that what question and answer they ask, and believe me, it's totally different from what you think. And after that, once you are selected, they will send you an offer letter. That's it. Till here it's clear. After that, what you have to do now? After that, what people did do, they run for and medical and blah blah blah. No guys, trust me, these are the 2 different way. If you are applying through agency, there is a different process. If you are applying directly by your own self, there is a different process. Remember this. So now you have to wait. Now they will do your background check. For that there is a agency by your cruise ship company. I don't know for which ship you are applying. For every agency, mostly it's higher, right, from USA. Now they will do your background check. They will send you a mail. You have to write down a few answers for the particular question, and they will ask you about your manager, where you're working, and your salary slip. Remember these things. These are very important things to remember: salary slip, offer letter where you are currently working, and the number of your manager, email ID of your manager, supervisor, or an immediate boss. These three things are important. Fill it correctly, because if slight mistake is there, bam, your background check is gone. So now you apply for that, and after that the agency will call your supervisor, boss, or whoever, I don't know, for the person contact you have shared over there. If in most of the scene, what happened, that they call and there is some issue with the connection, or I don't know, blah blah, something happened, then they will, mostly this happens, 90% they will send a mail that do you know these guys and this, and what you can do, you can ask your manager, supervisor, whoever, that please check your email and reward them. That's it. Till now it's clear. Now from here, once your background check is done, you will get a mail that yes, you are qualified for your background check. Now you can start applying for this. Now you have to wait. Now you can go for your STCW, guys. Yes, for this interview you don't want STCW before. After an interview, once you are selected, then you can apply for STCW. And remember, you have to do from recognized institution. There are hundreds of fake institutions around the country. So check the name of the institution of the approved website, and then only do it. Or else, guys, I know someone who came to the ship, they saw the certificate and rejected, and from that point they sent them back home. That guy was crying. He was from Dubai. Excuse me. After that, background check, STCW is done. Now you can apply for CDC, guys. Now agents will charge you, like I'm telling you, one of my friends paid around $1,000 for it. Somebody will ask you $400, $500. Trust me, guys, you can do it in $20. That is 1200 Indian rupees. If you want to know the process, step-by-step guide, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video on that. It is and very important, guys. CDC is like a passport for the seamen. So that is the most important thing. You must have these documents. So apply for that as soon as possible, because it takes time. It takes time, like sometime 2 months. In my scenario, it took 2 months. They say that you will get in 45 days, but believe me, this is not gonna happen in most of the time. After that, you have to apply for police clearance. Yes, you need a police clearance. Again, for this, if you want me to make a video step-by-step guide, then let me know in the comment section. That police clearance is important. Once your police clearance is done, guys, you have to update all these things on your web portal. You have to log in and upload all the documents. The agency will, the company will check all the documents. You'll get a green tick, and then you'll proceed. Now next question comes is medical. Guys, before medical, I want to tell you the very important point right now. That is, don't be in rush to apply, go for a medical, because the date of the validation of medical is 2 years for sure. But suppose you have applied for, you have done your medical on 1st of January, so the validity is 3 months to join the ship. Like if you have done your medical on 1st of January, then you must join your ship in 3 months. If your the duration is more than 3 months, then that medical is not valid. So always remember, don't be in rush. Once you will get your LOE, that is letter of employment, check the date, then after that go for it. Don't go in rush that, oh, I've been selected, because I was very excited, you know, so I did that. I was very excited, and I was supposed to do that mistake, but one of my friends told me that, hey, this is the rule, remember that. So after that, you have to go for a medical. Once you will get your LOE, everything is mentioned over there. And then finally, it's US visa application. Yes, C1D visa application, you have to apply for that. And then, guys, again, you have to do it by yourself. Nothing is very tough. If you want to make me a video, I have already made a video like what questions and answers they asked during C1D visa interview. Check the I button or check the description. I'll share the link. Must go through that, because if your visa is rejected, everything is wasted, guys. So after that, be prepared for the visa, apply for it. Let me know if you want to make a video on that. Step by step, I'll make a video on that. And then you'll get a visa. Upload that visa on your web portal. Once it's ticked, check, everything is tuck, green check, done.
and then you'll get a flight ticket. Don't be in rush. You'll get your flight ticket 15 days prior to your traveling date, and everything will be mentioned over there. You don't have to worry about that. Now comes the tricky question. What if you have applied and didn't got an confirmation mail from the company for more than 3, 4, 5? You can wait for like 2 months also. In some cases, one of my friend got after like 4 months. What we have to do, guys? Don't apply again, because they know the cooling period is 6 months. What you can do, you can create another email ID, separate mail ID, and then check in from that, make a folio from that email ID, and apply again. And remember one very important point, which mistake everybody, 99% people will do that mistake. Change your email ID on your resume also. That's the most important point. So, and then join the ship, see the world for free and get paid. So guys, do let me know in the comment section if you like this video. Do like, subscribe and share this video with others.